Hello guys, so here's a simple testnet and a wait list airdrops that you can position for. We have this EnergyLabs wait list. They raised $13 million in funding, and this what's it called? The testnet. This is a Fluent testnet. They raised $8 million in funding. So I'm just getting started on these two airdrop. And you can check for their registration links in the description box of this video. So we do hope to have a very nice listing with this airdrop. So we are still very much early. Just make sure you're positioned. This is the first guide. I might have to come up with a subsequent guide on this Fluent airdrop. But for now, what you need to do here is to enter your wallet address, your ETH address here. And request for the faucet. So I'll just come to my MetaMask wallet and copy the link, my wallet address to request for faucet. So I'll click here to paste and request. So here you complete the captcha. You see there is an image by the right here. You drag it to where it is missing. Read this instruction to complete the captcha. Then I can click on verify. So they said they've sent me the faucet. The transaction arch is this you're seeing. So the next thing is to answer this quiz. To answer the quiz. So let's see what the quiz is. I'll be dropping the quiz answers in the description box of this video, so you can participate and complete the testnet guide. So what does blockchain use to focus on for years, and what is the new key? Then did I click on that? And what is the new key to get the new key to blockchain innovation? Okay, the answer is D. Then I'll click on next question. So question number 2, a way for apps from different systems to work. Okay, what is blended execution on Fluent? A way to make apps more faster on different blockchain. A way for apps to different. Okay. So question number 3, I'll choose A, everyone. Okay, this one we missed this. So the answer for this is D. Next question, question number 4. What is WASM in Fluent network? Answer number 4. Let me choose A. Check answer. A special tools that help different systems work together. Wow. Let's see next question. So number 7, all of the above. What did I do? Number 8, Ethereum and Solana. I think they are not. Jeez. They are not calculating this quiz for me. Number 9. Oh. The way they answer the quiz, they need to switch. The quiz is timing. Jesus Christ. I'm not even aware this quiz is timing. I hope I can be able to answer this question. Let me play again. Jeez, I cannot even accept that. So guys, I'll just drop the quiz answer to the description box of this video. I'm not aware it's timing. I just thought we can just be reading and be answering. The moment they are bringing the answer themselves, they are not counting the answers for me. So you might decide to just meet the NFT like that. But I think the quiz, answering the quiz correctly can add to your maybe some level of NFT you can meet. So I don't want to take chances. I'll just restart the quiz. Now I get it right. Remember I said I'm just signing up in this video also. I'm not really familiar with the quiz yet. So I think this is for the Fluent testnet. I will subsequent updates particularly about this Fluent testnet. Apart from this quiz, there is no other tasks you have to do at the moment. After you are done answering the quiz, proceed to meet the faucet, to meet the NFT, and that is why you need to first of all claim the faucet so that you'll be using it as gas fee to meet the NFT. I hope that is clear. So claim faucet, come to the quiz, check the quiz answers in the description box of this video. I'm gonna do this again, then I'll drop the answers in the description box of this video. Then meet your NFT after you must have answered the quiz. Then now let's go to this EnergyLabs airdrop. This particular airdrop is this particular project raised $13 million in funding. So all you need to do here is to enter your email, join the wait list, and complete some few tasks that you might so that you might boost your airdrop chances. So here you see after you must have submitted your mail, you are seeing complete tasks and endpoints. Follow, like energy, like post, retweet, join energy, like comment. So these are the tasks you have to complete for this EnergyLabs. I'll click on the follow to proceed with the follow task. Let's see what they have here. Let me just open the next task. Like, complete. Retweet, complete. Then you join their Telegram community, comments, and that's it. So now here is it for this EnergyLabs. You've gotten the point now. Then you can copy your referral link if you have a community to get involved with this. So here's the update on this EnergyLabs. So now I can proceed back to my Fluent testnet and we submit my quiz. Let me see what the NFT, if there is any tags attached to the NFT that is hidden. So we don't leave any stone untouched. So guys, here is the quiz answers. You said I've attempted the quiz. So now I can now meet the NFT because I'm somehow satisfied with this. Oh, I'm not using Portal Wallet. I need the MetaMask wallet. I don't want to use Portal Wallet. Let me switch from here. So I'm just going to proceed to meet the NFT, and that's all for this Fluent testnet. So I will subsequent updates on this through airdrop later. If there is any tax that will be added to this Fluent testnet, then I'll bring back the video to let you guys know. Check the description box for the quiz answer, the link, and also for this EnergyLabs airdrop. Remember, their funding is quite reasonable, and we do hope they cook. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell, and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Check the pin post in the comment section for my Telegram channel link. You can join there so you don't miss out on any of my updates at all. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.